I welcome you all for the demo video of how to apply for online admission in Tamil Nadu Government Polytechnic Colleges. This year, due to coronavirus and lockdown, our Tamil Nadu government have created this online portal for admission in Government Polytechnic Colleges for the benefit of the students. Let us start with the scope of this online registration. Every year, approximately 35,000 registrations are done and the candidate in 1,000 stand in queues for collecting and submitting the application form for their admission. This leads to problem in managing the application, handle queries, distribution and collection of forms. The advantage of this online process are it works 24/7, no long queues, minimize travel time and cost, user-based login access for greater security, can be verified for future at any time and anywhere. This is the home page in which the candidate need to proceed with online registration process. This software supports bilingual in which the instruction fields can be viewed both in Tamil and English languages, which ease the candidate to complete the registration successfully. In this home page, the candidate can view and download the information brochure, Tamil Nadu Polytechnic Admission Facilitation Center, instruction to fill the application in Tamil and English languages, required document before proceeding with registration, Government Polytechnic College list including courses, special reservation related certificates under quick links. The commencement on online application, last date of submission and the commencement of certificate upload were mentioned under important dates. Before proceeding with the new registration, the candidate must be ready with the required documents given under quick links. The candidate can choose any number of colleges among 54 government polytechnic colleges. There is no restriction in selecting the colleges and courses. But the candidate should remember that the registration fee ₹150 is to be paid for each selected colleges. For SC/ST candidate, the registration fee is free. Refer instruction carefully under quick links before starting new registration. The candidate can now start the process by clicking New Registration. This is the page for new registration. Here the candidate need to enter a valid email ID. Next is contact number. The candidate should note that this registered mail ID and mobile number only, the OTP will be received. Next is self-created password with minimum 6 character, consist of at least one uppercase, lowercase, number and symbols. Enter the password again to confirm. Then click Send OTP button. By clicking Send OTP, an OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number and email ID. Now, the 4-digit OTP should be entered in the box provided and click Submit. The candidate can use the email ID and contact number only once for new registration. The candidate can now log in by entering the email ID and password, which is already created in the new registration page. In case the candidate fails to remember the password created, can click this Forget Password button. Now the candidate can click Submit. Here, the candidate need to proceed with click here to fill application. The personal information page will be displayed to the candidate. The candidate need to enter the required fields. Candidate name, father's or guardian's name, mother tongue can be chosen from the drop-down list, father's and guardian's occupation can be chosen from the drop-down list, date of birth, choose year, month and date. Age will be displayed automatically. Choose gender, citizenship, nativity, civic native, religion, community, caste from the drop-down list. Enter the communication address with state, district and PIN code. If the permanent address is same as communication address, click Same as communication address in the checkbox. If not same, enter the permanent address. Mobile number and email ID will be automatically displayed as given before in the new registration page. Next, Aadhaar number, if the candidate wishes, can give, otherwise leave as optional. After entering all the details, click Save and Next button. This is the page containing special reservation details. The candidate need to verify whether they are applicable as per the instruction under Quick Links. Special reservation is applicable only if the candidate belongs to the eminent sportsperson, ex-serviceman, differently able category. If the candidate had chosen differently able, then the category can be selected from the drop-down list. The candidate who does not belong to any of the category can click option No and click Save and Next button. This is the page to enter the study detail. The complete detail about the school studied information from 6th to 10th standard need to be entered. In case if the candidate has studied 6th to 10th standard in the same school, enter 6th standard school name and select Apply 6th school to all, then the school name will be displayed automatically in the remaining field. Then choose year respectively. If studied 6th to 10th standard in the same district, the candidate can enter the district name in the first field and click Apply 6th district to all. Then the same district name will be displayed in the remaining field. If studied in Tamil Nadu from 6th to 10th, then option S need to be selected. Then the remaining field will be displayed with same state. After entering, click Save and Next button. If the candidate need to modify any of the information entered previously in special reservation page, can click Back button and edit. This is the page for academic information in which the candidate need to fill the required fields. The candidate must choose the medium of instruction, civic school, month and year of passing, must enter the register number or roll number, and select Board of Examination. If the candidate belongs to CBSE, enter marks obtained out of 100 in relevant subjects and select the respective grade from the drop-down list. If the candidate belongs to other board, the maximum marks and the marks obtained need to be entered. If the candidate belongs to state board and passed in previous year, enter the mark obtained out of 100 in each subject in the respective field. The total will be calculated automatically. If the candidate belongs to state board and passed in this current year 2020, no need to enter the marks. Just click Save and Next. This is the page for college selection. In this page, the candidate need to select the hostel facility required option shown in yes or no format. For the female candidate, the option S will be selected automatically in women's only field. If the female candidate wish to apply only for women college, can continue with the S option by selecting the district, college name and department. Else they can choose the option No in women's only field so that they can view and select all colleges in the list. The candidate can give any number of choices for the college selection using Add College button. There is no restriction in selecting the colleges and courses. If the candidate need to delete the choice of selected college, can click Delete under Action tab. Drag option can be used by the candidate based on the preference in the choice of selected colleges. After completing the required detail, press Save and Next. If the candidate want to modify anything, can click Back button for editing in the academic detail. Candidate, after completing the required tab, they can ensure about the detail entered using Preview tab. The application number will be automatically generated at the top right corner. The candidate need to verify carefully the information entered in all pages are correct. Personal detail, special reservation, study detail, academic detail, and college selection. At the end of college selection preview, the number of colleges selected and the total registration fee to be paid will be displayed. By clicking the back button at the end of each tab in preview, the information entered in the respective pages can be modified. After ensuring the details at the end of preview page, click Submit Application button. An alert message will be displaying indicating once the candidate is proceeded to payment, information entered cannot be changed. So the candidate need to double check all the details entered. The candidate who feels confident with the details entered can click OK button, which proceeds to the payment page. Else they can click Cancel and edit the application. Now the candidate can proceed with the payment through online using credit, debit or net banking. The registration fee for SC/ST is free. I have chosen SC community, hence the page will be directed to download the application in PDF form. The application can be downloaded successfully in PDF format under Generate Report by clicking Download PDF. The generated application is opened, which containing all the details entered along with the declaration page. Now the candidate can click Log Out. The application PDF can be accessed anytime later by logging in and clicking Generate Report. Thank you.